Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to show you to delete profile picture in LinkedIn. Simply go to your profile and then click on your profile picture. Here you will see in these options there is a delete button. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, then the pop-up will appear on your screen and you have to click on delete button. Once you click on it, then your profile picture will be completely deleted from LinkedIn. So guys, if you don't want to show your profile picture on LinkedIn and you want to delete your picture, so these simple steps going to be very helpful for you. Just simply follow these steps and delete your profile picture. And this is how to delete profile picture on LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.